Hey, she the perfect one, period. Hey, this shit right here serious. It's blowing something strong without you. It's been so long since leaving the queen alone. I'm on my own to dream. Hey, that's just make believe for you. Hey, there's a vacancy up in my heart that you can live rent free. Me for you, you for me. We fell for each other instantly. Your energy, mentally, it feel like you ain't worth it, cause others didn't deserve it. I make it rain, now you don't feel no pain. Trust and believe that we can make it. Plenty others fake it. Hey, we can take it to wherever that you wanna take it. Deep up in that pussy ass, quaking your favorite sensations. You put it all on me, no hesitation. Hey, plenty concentrations, cause feelings came out the blue. My homie told me to not fuck with you because he tried you. And honestly, that's my dog, but he the only one trippin'. I'm bringing pleasure with the nightcaps we sippin'. Now I'm naked in the bedroom, and I was trippin'. Hey, she my storybook girl, no question. Hey, bust it down for me. Hey, you for me. Hey, I just wanna be down. Hey, we just cruising. Hey, why they losing? Hey, check out how we moving. I thought I told you faster than Barry Allen. What's happening? And I can see the jealousy whenever I'm passing them. We got that. Last forever, a GPS to your heart. Got it on lock for your destination. You just gotta have some patience. I'll be there soon to your location. We getting high, elevating, popping bottles, pop out, and it's a celebration. Your homegirl wanna hate, well let them hate.